Hello everyone. So today we are going to continue S3 and we are going to look into versioning and replicating. So versioning is nothing but you can create more versions of the modified versions of the same file. So what are they going to be like? They won't be saved as separate files. They will be saved as sub files, like files inside files. Okay, so same key override will change the version as 1, 2, and 3. Likewise, you can create those subfiles. So another is replication. There are two types of replication, CRR and SRR, which is cross region and same region. So if you are saving any data in Mumbai region, but you want to replicate those changes in another region, suppose Osaka region, then that is nothing but cross region replication. And then if you want to make any replications in the same region, then that is SRR, which is same region replication. And copying is asynchronous. Buckets can be in different AWS accounts. And you must give proper IAM permissions to S3. These are some points which you have to keep in mind. Now let's get back to the practical side of this video. Let's go to S3. We'll create a new bucket. Okay. Let's name it OG bucket. I'm purposely writing the spelling in this way. Acknowledge, enable versioning, and that's it. Create. So this is how your bucket is successfully created. Now you'll go to permissions. Over here, you will edit. Okay. You'll go to AWS policy generator. You'll select S3, principal, all actions. For ARN, you will copy this bucket ARN and you'll paste it here with / and asterisk, add statement, and generate policy. Copy this policy, come back here, paste it, save changes. Okay. Go to your buckets, OG bucket. You'll say upload and add files. Now you'll add any file with the name of index.html as we had done earlier. Okay, so let's upload this file. If you click on it, you will be able to see whatever contents are in this file. Okay, now once you're done with this, if you want, you can even upload some other file. It can be, let's say, image and upload. So as you can see, we have two different files in this bucket. Now you're going to enable this show versions because we've enabled versioning, so you'll be able to do that. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to upload another file, okay, with some modified index file I had already created, so I'm just uploading it. And once you go here and you say show versions, now you'll be able to see the versioning here. A file inside file. Okay, it's not a separate file as this image. So this is how versioning is done. Now let's go to the replicating part of this video. We'll study what is replication. So for that, go to buckets. Okay, we'll create another bucket. First, duplicate this tab. We'll change the region first. Okay, so we are in the duplicate bucket, and let's say Osaka. Okay, we've changed our region. Here the region is Mumbai. In another tab it is Osaka. Now let's say in the duplicated window tab, we are going to create a bucket. Let's name it as Replicate Bucket. Okay. And to say that you've changed the location, you'll enable versioning, and that's it. Create bucket. Once you're done with that, go to your original bucket. Okay. Inside that, you're going to go to management. In that tab, create replication rule. Okay. So over here, you can name something like you'll keep it as it is for enabled. Okay. Apply to all objects. We want to choose a bucket in this account only, right? We can browse from here, bucket name, just OG bucket. Choose the replicate bucket, okay? Because this is the bucket we want to receive our objects in, right? Because over here, if you go to see in a replicate bucket, there's nothing created. There's no replicated file here. So we want whatever we are creating, we want it to be replicated in this bucket. So that bucket is destination bucket, rep bucket. And then from here, say create new role. Okay. And that's it. Pretty much nothing to just say save. And then no, do not replicate, and then submit. Okay. Once you're done with that, go to your destination bucket. Or if you want, you can even add anything in this bucket. Or you can just check. Okay. Now, if I want, I can upload anything. Okay. Let's say an upload. So this we have uploaded, and now let's check in our destination bucket. It takes a little while for it to get copied, and you'll be able to see the replication over here. See, as you can see, it has been replicated. So that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next one.